Alright, so you join me on another job. There's a little lady in tow. It's a family day out. You got my father and my son. They're down here working. Basically what they got to do down here is this track's just got way too wide. Way too wide. So the client wants the track to start there, finish here. So he wants that there pulled over and laid, but he wants the water to go that way. So this edge is being built up, so it tilts it, runs it there. Then we're going to put a swell in, which I'll walk you down in a minute, right to the bottom, which take all the water down the bottom and put it into a pit. Right, I'll walk you down the bottom in a minute and show you what I mean about the water's got to go down, because the water's got to follow that down into the pit, so the water can get away. The water's come down here, it's just chewing all this out. They've got lorries and that down here. It's just, yeah, not very good. So this is just a bodge job, because this is eventually going to go houses next year, I think. So this is just get down to the farmyard down the bottom. But we've got the Volvo ecr88 working its finest. Got the boy on the roller, he's loving life. Ain't the best material, but away we go. Right, I'll take you down the bottom to where the pit is. Right, this is the bit that went down on Friday. It's gone down well, considering what's coming out is big concrete, tarmac, as well as planings, as well as stone, as well as dirt. Got to work with the material you got, which I don't think has gone down too bad. And it's going to fill that bit up with dirt, so it brings the road back to here. Yeah. But the water will travel down the side there, and where them trees are, there's a couple of pits I'll show you. Trouble when you're trying to work and got live traffic. Brilliant. Right, so let's put a swellway in here for the water to come down and drop into that pit. Let's put a swellway down this side as well. That'll come down, should divert onto there, down here and into this side of the pit. Client wants us to come in and clear all these trees and that out as well at some stage. Basically there's a big farmyard in there and they're going to develop it into houses and offices and a little industrial estate, because eventually all of the fields around here are going to be built on. It's already working with the rain that we had. The water's coming down the swellway into this pit, which he wants dug out, and then the water's coming down that side and into that pit. But like I say, I've got to come clear these pits out. But yeah, no, this was horrendous here. Really bad potholes and everything else. That has actually gone down half decent. But alright, shall we go walking back then, Lex? Let's go back again. See, that's a hell of a drop. Water comes down here fairly and it washes everything out. What are you doing today? Dunno? You shy? What are you shy for? Turn the camera. Don't be shy. Why are you shy? You scared? You're gonna be YouTube famous. Whoop whoop. Big up the Lexi. Whoop whoop. Big up the workers on a Sunday. I'm going home. Going home? I'll go home. Sunday worker! Oh, he looks tired, don't he?
Oh, he's nearly asleep on the way here.
Asleep?
Yeah.
That was close, wasn't it? Is there a lot of concrete in here or not?
Not just this when I've done a hard pour.
So the rest of it's planings and it hits here and it goes tarmac and concrete.
All sorts, and down there.
You're never going to do nothing with it then, are you?
No. Ain't going to look a smart job, I'm sure.
No, well, not being funny, you don't want a smart job because it'll soon change it anyway, won't he?
Yeah.
Especially if it's developing all that down there, that's pointless.
I'll put some soil here and just take you through a job a bit.
Yeah.
But that's got a camber on it, that ways now, where it didn't before.
Yeah. You look tired, mate.
I'm still waking up.
Oh, I'll go and get the shovel and rake.
That'll wake you up, yeah. Was it, I want to come work for Grandad? Right. Well, get your arse in gear then, because you're going to work.
But that's gone down what we done the other day.
That's gone down alright, it's blended in, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like I say, it's big stuff. What the hell do you do with it?
Yeah. Well, I'll take it down there. We took one dump of those down there.
You got a dump here as well, have you?
Yeah. No, 5 ton.
Could have swept that out for Grandad. Just as it's warming up when he first started. Don't worry, Grandad, I'll go start. I'll sweep that out for you.
Clean the windows.
Clean the windows for you, yeah. Nah, he's just sitting there with his eyes half shut.
Yeah.
What time are you finishing?
I haven't said that once. I haven't said that once.
Holding the beer and everything in that side, not letting them in this side.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hang